How to Use a Language Exchange Partner Before You Can Talk, written by Khatzumoto, posted in February of 2013. You don't need to wait until you can talk to get a language exchange partner. They don't need to be able to speak to you, or you to them, in order to be useful in terms of learning, getting used to, a language. Before you can actually talk to each other, your language exchange partner can still be your media pusher. One very important thing you can talk about with a language exchange partner while you still suck is L2 language recommendations. Ask him to tell you his favorite bands and songs and stuff. But you say, I can just search YouTube. Yeah, good luck with that. You can't just say Japanese music on YouTube and get really good stuff. That's not how it works. That kind of vague search won't bring you rip slime in the middle of the night. It might work for movies, and even then, only the gay, footnote 1. I can use this word because I'm only ironically homophobic online. In real life, I actually commit hate crimes, but you don't know that. End footnote. Art house ones that become popular overseas. You know what I mean. You need band names. Language exchange partners can be like parents in that you can use them to shape your early L2 tastes and exposure. So a language exchange partner is more than just a well-trained mouth. He's also a cultural conduit of sorts. That being the case, a good idea might be to choose language exchange partner not based on gender, age, or even personality, but on musical taste. And you want someone who enjoys the music actively, seeks it out, knows who makes it, etc. Not someone who merely doesn't mind that style of music. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Just an idea.